pressure washer! Throw it down, now!
Oh, shit, where is it?
Back, you poor things!
It's up here! Sadi, catch!
Take this, you! But where did they go?
Did they go invisible?
No, they ran away at great speed before I could shoot. They could leap at us from any corner.
Shit! Sadi, blast the roof with the pressure washer.
The roof?
Well, they hated the rain, didn't they? Have water sprout all over the room.
Your brain cracks at the seams! Let's make it rain! 3, 2, 1! Pressure washer! Go!
There, from the big pipe in the ceiling. They're leaping down!